Ever get denied by payment processor even though your course is completely legitimate? It happens more often than you'd think, especially when they don't understand digital only products. Here's a quick manual way to organize your course details for approval. In Google Sheets, create a simple table listing your course title, how it is delivered, and whether it's a one time or recurring purchase. This gives processors a clear view of your business model, but it doesn't guarantee they will understand how your digital delivery works. That's where many course creators get stuck because traditional payment aggregators are not built to evaluate info product models accurately. That's exactly where EasyPay Direct comes in. Their underwriting team actually reviews your business setup before approval, so banks understand your course model from the start. It drastically reduces the risk of denial or sudden shutdowns. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. You will also get white glove support, a dedicated contact who walks you through setup and makes sure your account stays stable. If you have ever worried about getting approved for course payments, this is the easy next step. With EasyPay Direct, your business is understood, approved, and protected from day one. Use the link in the description to get started today.